सो आई वेंट टू कोटा। आसपास लोग इतना पढ़ते थे और कोई डायरेक्शन ही नहीं है, मैं वो नहीं करना चाहती थी। बट देन पोलारिस केम इन एंड पापा वेंट टू एक्सप्लोर कि पोलारिस है क्या, कहाँ है। तो द करिकुलम इट वाज वेरी फैसिनेटिंग फॉर हिम एंड ही वांटेड टू टेक अ बेट। सो आई हैव जॉइंड एज अ फुल स्टैक डेवलपर intern in Swiftin. So here are the 3 things that you should keep in mind if you want to crack an internship. Hi, I'm Nidhi, currently a second year student at Polaris School of Technology in Bangalore. I am born and brought up in Delhi and a family of 4. I have always been an academically good child. So 12th में I took PCMB and I had a pretty good score of 94.4%. So yes, बचपन से ही सोच लिया था कि डॉक्टर बनना है. So father is very वो कि अगर कुछ डिसाइड कर लिया है तो why not work towards it from the very start. So I took biology, but उनको था कि ठीक है मैथ्स भी लेनी ही है 12th में. So class 10th में I started preparing for NEET. People used to say कि PCM भी तो difficult होगा and it will be difficult for you to score in that. But I never found it very difficult because maths was not इतना difficult for me. 2 years into this, I knew I just wanted to become a doctor only. So Papa तो always wanted me to get into tech, but he was very supportive of me becoming a doctor. So 11th-12th happened. I scored pretty well, but COVID also came in. So we decided कि we'll take a year drop and then we'll go to Kota because Ellen is the best in business. So I went to Kota. But I think मेरा interest was towards physics. I was never into biology इतना ज़्यादा. आसपास लोग इतना पढ़ते थे और कोई डायरेक्शन ही नहीं है. They just have to study. दिन रात सिर्फ पढ़ ही रहे हैं. मैं वो नहीं करना चाहती थी because I found myself being trapped there. So when I returned to Delhi for giving NEET, I think my mind was decided कि अब मुझे NEET नहीं करना है, मुझे डॉक्टर नहीं बनना है, कुछ और ट्राई करना है लाइफ में. NEET happened, I had a pretty good score. लगा था कि हो जाएगा, but I already told my parents कि I think I will not be pursuing this in the future. Then the controversy happened. The marks did not match the rank which I needed to get into a very good college. But somewhere down the line, I was a little satisfied कि ठीक है, अब तो एक बहाना भी हो गया है, करना भी नहीं था, हो भी नहीं रहा है. Parents never left me. They were always supportive कि ठीक है आपको जो करना है, it's your life and I think you can do well because पापा always wanted कि tech करना है. तो he was also satisfied कि finally इसमें दिमाग आ गया है और अब ये tech के लिए जा रही है.
Sorry to interrupt your video, but this is a very important information for you. Polaris admission test or PAT is now live and every 14 days there's a new intake of students who give the PAT test every fortnight. Thousands of students have already given the test and this is their first step of becoming the top 0.1% software developers of tomorrow. Polaris admission test में physics या chemistry के academic सवाल नहीं होते हैं, बल्कि most of the paper is actually designed after mental ability, logical reasoning and your arithmetic capabilities. And if you don't want to give maths, देर इज ऑल्सो एन ऑप्शन फॉर यू जहाँ पे आप पूरा पैट सिर्फ कोडिंग पे ही दे सकते हो बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली जब आपको लाइफ में करना ही कोड है सो वी शुड ऑल्सो असेस यू ओनली एंड ओनली ऑन कोड. आप पोलारिस आओ या ना आओ, बट आई वुड हाईली अर्ज दैट यू गो एंड गिव द टेस्ट बिकॉज दैट टेस्ट विल गिव यू अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिकेटिव आइडिया ऑफ व्हाट अ मॉडर्न इंडस्ट्री लेड सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग करिकुलम एक्चुअली लुक्स लाइक. द लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन.
तो पापा ने बोला ठीक है अब तो ढूंढते हैं कॉलेजेस. सो व्हेन वी वर लुकिंग अप फॉर कॉलेजेस, सो एक कोर्स होता है फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट वाला. पापा ने कहा कि यही करते हैं. बट देन पोलारिस केम इन एंड पापा वेंट टू एक्सप्लोर कि पोलारिस है क्या, कहाँ है. व्हेन ही वेंट देयर ही सॉ द करिकुलम. So the curriculum actually was very fascinating for him and he wanted to take a bet कि अगर ये इतना promise कर रहे हैं so why not just take it. अगर ये हो गया तो फिर तो life set ही है. So then after a month I went to college और day 1 पे ही we were taught JavaScript. I thought कि कुछ तो basics होगा, physics होगी, chemistry होगी, but nothing like that happened. We started coding from day 1. जब मैंने अपना पहला line of code लिखा I thought कि this is something new. So people around me they knew because they had done computer science पहले ही 12th में. But I was very new to this. But we had teachers who were really supportive and I am a fast grasper so मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं लगा सब कुछ सीखने में and I did my best. और फिर टीचर्स ने इतना सपोर्ट किया मुझे कि अगर मुझे कहीं पे भी कोई इशू हो रहा है they were right there to explain everything to me. इतना ब्यूटिफुली मुझे एक्सप्लेन किया कि my foundations were set right in the right directions and that is what will take me to different heights now in life. So I have joined as a full stack developer intern in Swiftin. Swiftin actually is a software for hotels and properties. Whatever happens after booking, they automate all of that customer experience, starting from check-in, reviews, upsell items, payments. My initial days was not more of learning, but I started working from day 1 only. Initially मुझे बोला कि आप थोड़ा बहुत fast API देख लो, and because I had already very strong foundation in MERN stack, Express, तो मेरे लिए इट वॉज नॉट इतना डिफिकल्ट ट्रांजिशन. I started building chatbot from day one, and within like a week or so, we were good to go with the chatbot. And then I had done API integrations. We integrated Instagram chat into their software. Then I did the authentication for Razorpay, and currently I am working in their inventory management system. College में तो जब the projects are built for us and for us to showcase it to teachers, but in real life these are built for the people who are actually using it. So there are a lot of edge cases that we have to keep in mind. क्या पता किसी ने क्या पूछ लिया मेरे चैटबॉट से, सो इट हैज़ टू आंसर एवरीथिंग करेक्टली. सो अ लॉट ऑफ कस्टमर फीडबैक इज केप्ट इन टू माइंड बिफोर डूइंग दैट. आपका कोड बाकी कोड बेस को डिस्टर्ब ना करे, दैट इज ऑल्सो केप्ट इन माइंड. व्हेन यू आर बिल्डिंग समथिंग, तो उसकी वजह से बाकी कुछ एग्जिस्टिंग फीचर खराब ना हो जाए, दैट शुड बी योर मेजर कंसर्न व्हाइल यू आर बिल्डिंग समथिंग न्यू फॉर द कंपनी. ऑफिस आवर्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 10 to 6. So when I am at the office, initially we discuss whatever I did the previous day, and then we ponder upon what I have to do for the day. Starting से ही कोडिंग हो जाती है, 1 घंटे का ब्रेक होता है, उसके बाद भी काम ही कर रहे होते हैं. Then लास्ट में जो भी मैंने कोड किया है वो रिव्यू होता है. Then I push it into the development branch, and if there is no issue तो वो मेरे मेन ब्रांच में चला जाता है and प्रोडक्शन में चला जाता है. That is how my day looks like. Seniors are pretty good. The CTO, Pradyuman sir, he's always there. I think the environment is very nice, so it was easy for me to adapt with them. And they knew that the work is new for me, the tech stack is new for me, but everything felt right there. And right now I am thinking that I'll learn a lot of things from this internship, because it has not even been a month of me. I'll be completing a month in a few days, and I have done so much into this. I have learned so many new things. Every day I am learning a new tech stack, seeing something new happening, building something new, breaking something. So that is a really good experience. The hardest part was to work with such a big code base, because earlier I built projects and it was not a very big code, but to work with real life projects that are actually live in the market, you need to understand a lot of things. The whole code base. That was a little difficult part for me, but I think once I did it, it was pretty easy for me to indulge myself into the code. So college में the projects that we build, अगर उसमें कोई mistake भी होती है, so okay ठीक है, वो चल जाता है, आप उसको ठीक कर सकते हो. But real life में it is a little different from what I actually do in college. यहाँ पे when I was asked to build a chatbot, I was told कि the feature ownership आपकी होगी, end to end आपको काम करना है, and whatever breaks I have to build that as well. So it is very different from how I used to work towards projects in my college, and now whatever the work I am doing, that is really different. I have to manage with a lot of people. My co-colleague is also there, he's also working on something. First year into college, मुझे ये था कि मुझे सब कुछ ट्राई करना है. Second semester में GSOC period came in, and we had an all-nighter hackathon. That was the first time I stayed up all night working towards something. That happened, I was told कि ठीक है, you can come into the mentorship round and we'll do GSOC. मैंने कहा ठीक है, कुछ नया सीखने को मिल रहा है. But when I stepped into that, इतने बड़े code bases मैंने देखे, and I had never worked with such big code bases. It was little overwhelming for me at that point of time. But I still tried कि मैं करूँगी इसमें, and I chose my org. It was a healthcare org only. So I chose my org and I thought कि मैं इसकी तरफ काम करूँगी. Initially it was good, but then it got a little overwhelming for me. So I thought कि ठीक है, अभी ऐसा करते हैं कि let me work towards building myself, and then we'll again come back to the open source wala part. Because I have done itna hours of coding, so sitting and doing code is not difficult for me. Recently a new intern was hired, and he was coming from a traditional college. उसको बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ जावास्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं थी, एंड ही सेड कि मुझे जावास्क्रिप्ट नहीं आती. बट इन पोलारिस आई वाज टॉट जावास्क्रिप्ट फ्रॉम डे वन. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेयर आई न्यू दैट देयर इज़ अ बिग डिफरेंस between how we are taught and how traditional colleges work. So here are the 3 things that you should keep in mind if you want to crack an internship. First is DSA. Second is how well are your fundamentals. Third is the projects that you put into your resume. So the internship process was pretty quick. I gave the interview, and within like the next day, sir told me कि एक next interview भी होगा, which will be the technical round. Technical round happened. तो उससे पहले some requirements came in कि फास्ट API होगा. मैंने तभी कह दिया था कि सर शायद मैं ये ना कर पाऊँ, बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर डेवलप्ड इन दिस, बट ही बिलीव दैट यू कैन डू इट. सो आई गेव द टेक्निकल राउंड. इट ऑल्सो वेंट प्रीटी वेल, एंड द नेक्स्ट डे ओनली दे वर गिविंग मी द ऑफर लेटर फॉर दैट. आई वॉज रियली हैप्पी एंड रिलीव्ड कि फटाफट ही सब कुछ हो गया. सो रिक्रूटर्स ये नहीं देखते कि आपको कितना आता है, बट ये देखते हैं कि आप क्या नई नई चीज़ें सीख सकते हो, एंड हाउ फास्ट लर्नर यू आर, कितना अच्छे से आप प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हो, हाउ मच यू अंडरस्टैंड द नीड ऑफ द रिक्रूटर, and that is what helped me back this internship. After Polaris, plan is to work in a big company, in a very good company, and then start something of my own. So now I really want to contribute in the healthcare sector, and someday I will, because मैंने वो field छोड़ दी because for something else that I wanted to pursue in my life, And I think with this skill set of mine, I will contribute towards that and build something that is actually solving a real world problem. I will never regret preparing for NEET because that is where बहुत ज़्यादा self reflection हुआ था. I think that gave me the confidence कि I can take big challenges in life and everything falls into place at the right time. And there is never a time to start something new. So when I was in Kota, I think I had no dreams, no motivation कि अब life में अब क्या करना है. And I was not ready to take up बहुत ज़्यादा challenges in life. Life was settled कि डॉक्टर बनना है, उसके बाद ये करना है. And that is how life will be. But right now, I think nothing is impossible. If I think कि मुझे ये चीज़ करनी है and if I put my head into it, I think I can achieve it. So initially we started with the JavaScript classes and the teachers who taught us in a very beautiful way. So इतना interest उन्होंने हमारा जगा दिया उस चीज़ में कि the hunger in me actually rise कि मुझे अब ये सब पढ़ना है खुद से. उसके बाद second semester में Narvin sir came in, Shomain sir came in. So I started learning Android dev also. Shomain sir was very supportive. Actually, teachers believed in me more than I believed in myself. And that actually helped me gain a lot of insights and experience. I felt really confident कि I can also do all these things. जो मेरा background नहीं था उसमें I was now level to level with all the people who had come with the CS background. And I think I was doing pretty well at that time. So teachers played a major role. They motivated me, they supported me. They actually taught me how things are supposed to be read and how am I supposed to dive into new topics. They built that confidence that I think I lacked earlier. That is how they helped me shape this Polaris journey.